Hi, it's James Wood from Totally Wild UK here, and we're out with Abel and Cole on the south coast of the UK, on the salt marshes, and we're looking for this stuff. It's called marsh samphire, and we pick the tips which are really succulent and the best parts. We're going to make a couple of recipes, and the first one we're starting with is a tapenade. And all we're doing is using black olives, some salted wild garlic, and then the marsh samphire. Really simple recipe. We're literally going to have this done in about 30 seconds. So all we take is a scoop of the olives. At home, obviously, you'd be using a machine blender, but we don't have the luxuries of electricity when we're out in the salt marsh, so we use this thing, which is a manual blender. Olives in, salted garlic, but you could use garlic paste or a mushed up clove of garlic. And the last thing to go is our marsh samphire, and we've just got the tips, and then a little bit of olive oil, and that just moistens it and allows us to blend it up. We can add a bit more olive oil a bit later on if we need to, but for now that should do. Just a quick drizzle. And like I say, this is our manual blender, so it's a bit like if you had a pull cord lawnmower. Okay, so we've whizzed it up. Doesn't take a second in this thing. Obviously, again, if you're at home, it might be a little bit finer than it is in this one. And that's it. It's as simple as that. We chuck that onto a nice piece of soda bread, and it's job done. So marsh samphire and black olive tapenade.